Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Let us see here question number 52. The speed of a boat in still water, that is 15 km per hour. The speed of the boat in still water, that is 15 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream and return back at the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. There is a given question how much. Let us see the solution of this question. In the question given the speed of boat in still water, that is given 15 km per hour. The speed of boat in still water 15 km per hour. Suppose the boat is starting from A. Okay, suppose the boat is starting from A and reaches to B. Okay, this one the path of the boat. It travels a distance that is given how much? The speed of boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream. The distance between A and B given here how much? 30 km from A to B. It goes 30 km upstream and return back at the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. First of all, you have to assume this one the direction of stream. This one the direction of stream. Stream direction. This one the direction of stream. And if the boat goes in the direction of stream, it will becomes downstream. It will becomes downstream. We already know about it. It will becomes downstream. And if the boat come or go opposite to the direction of stream, it will becomes what? Upstream. This one called upstream. Here the speed of boat in still water given 15 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream. 30 km upstream means the boat go 30 km upstream and return back at the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Means the total time taken by the boat in upstream plus downstream, it will become 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. So we will assume here, let the speed of stream, it will be equal to x kilometer per hour. The speed of stream, that is x kilometer per hour. If you know that the speed of the boat in still water is 15 km per hour, given here speed of boat in still water given how much? 15 km per hour. So speed of boat in downstream becomes how much? It will be add up because the downstream speed becomes the speed of boat in still water, that is 15 km plus speed of stream becomes 15 plus x kilometer per hour. And we know that where the speed of boat in upstream, the speed of boat in upstream becomes how much? Upstream becomes speed of boat in still water, that is 15 minus x, the speed of stream, kilometer per hour. I hope this concept you are able to follow me. Again from here, according to question, we can find the time taken by the boat in upstream and plus the time taken by the boat in downstream, and it will be equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. So let us say here, time taken by boat downstream. First we find downstream, and it will be equal to t equal to, that is it will be equal to s by v, that is s for distance, v for speed. Distance equal to how much? 30 km, and the speed we assume 15 plus x. Again, time taken by boat in upstream, and it will be equal to again s by v. S for distance, v for speed. Distance is same, but the speed becomes 15 minus x in upstream. And from here you can write according to question that 30 upon 15 plus x plus 30 upon 15 minus 6, and it will be equal to 4 hour 30 minutes, means 4 hour plus 1 by 2 hour. 30 minutes means what? 1 upon 2 hour. So 4 hour plus 1 upon 2 hour, and again as you take 30 as a common, we get 15 plus x plus 1 upon 15 minus 6, and from here 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3, and 1 upon 15 plus 6 plus 1 upon 15 minus 6, and it will be equal to 3 upon 20. The 10 will go the denominator of 3 and become 3 upon 20. And from here we can write the LCM of 1 upon 15 plus x and 15 minus 6. 15 plus x and 15 minus 6, the LCM, and as you solve this fractional addition, 15 minus x plus 15 plus 6, we get 3 upon 20. Okay, let us see here 15 minus x, 15 plus x, the x will be cancelled out, and from here 15 how much becomes 30 upon 15 square minus x square, 3 upon 20, it will be cancelled out and becomes 10 upon 15 square, 2 to 5 minus x square, 1 upon 20, and as you solve you get 2 to 5 minus x square equal to 200, and 2 to 5 minus 200, and it will become x square, and from here x square equal to 25, and as you find the value of x, it will becomes plus minus 25, and the value of x equal to plus minus 5, and we know that x does not equal to minus 5, so our answer is x equal to 5. The speed of the stream, that is kilometer per hour, speed of stream. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.